In this lecture, we will see how to install and configure .NET SDK on Windows. Let's get started. So, first open your web browser like Google Chrome. Click on the address bar at the top and type .net.microsoft.com, then press the Enter key. This will open the official website of .NET. On the home page, you will see a big heading that says Build, Test, Deploy, with a short message about .NET. Now look at the top menu and find the Download tab. Click on this Download tab to open the download page. Now here you can see the download page for .NET. There are two main versions shown, .NET 9.0 and .NET 8.0. Version 9.0 is marked as recommended and has standard support. It means this version is stable and safe to use for building projects. Version 8.0 is marked with long-term support, which means it will get updates for a longer time. Both versions are good, but 9.0 is the latest stable one. At the top, you may also see a message about .NET 10, but that version is a preview. A preview version is not final and may have bugs or missing features. It is only for testing, not for real work. That's why we do not choose .NET 10 now. So .NET 9.0 is the best choice at this time. It is updated, tested, and safe for learning and real projects. So let's click on the download button for .NET 9.0 SDK. Now it takes us to a new page where the download starts automatically. At the top, you can see a thank you message that says your file is being downloaded. Let's wait until the download is complete. This may take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. Now you can see the download is completed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. Let's click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. After downloading the .NET 9.0 SKD file, we click on it to open the setup. Let's click on the Install button to start the installation. Now the setup starts and shows a green progress bar. This progress bar tells us that files are being copied and installed to our system. We wait for the bar to reach the end, and this may take a few minutes. After that, a new screen appears with a message saying the installation was successful. It also shows a list of items that were installed, like SDK, Runtime, and ASP.NET Core. Now we click the Close button to finish and exit the installer. At this point, the .NET SDK is fully installed on our system. To make sure everything works fine, we open the Run box by pressing Windows plus R. In the Run box, we type CMD and press Enter to open the command prompt window. Then type the command .NET-version and press Enter. If everything is installed correctly, you will see the .NET version screen, as shown here, that is 9.0300. This confirms that .NET is installed and working on our machine. Now it's time to tell Windows that we have installed the .NET SDK so it can use it properly. For this, we need to set the path of the .NET SDK in the system's environment variables. First, go to the C drive on your computer. Inside the C drive, open the Windows folder. Now look for a folder named Microsoft.NET and open it. Inside the Microsoft.NET folder, you will find several folders. We need to open the folder named Framework and then go inside the folder called v4.0. We choose this folder because the .NET SDK still uses this version path to run basic commands like .NET. Now look at the address bar at the top of this window. This shows the full path. Right-click on the address bar and click Copy to copy this folder path. Next, go to the Start menu and type Environment Variables in the search bar. You will see an option that says Edit the System. Environment Variables, click on it. A new window will open with a button at the bottom called Environment Variables. Click on it. Now another window will open with two sections, one for the user and one for the system. Under the System Variables section, find the variable named path and click on it. After selecting it, click the Edit button to open the path editor. In this new window, click the New button on the right side. Now paste the folder path that we copied earlier from the Microsoft.NET folder. Once the path is added, click OK to close this window. Then click OK again to close the Environment Variables window, and one more time to close the last window. Now your .NET SDK is fully installed and also synced with Windows. This means you can now use .NET commands from anywhere on your computer, like in Command Prompt or PowerShell. Windows now knows where to find the SDK files, so your development tools will work smoothly. So this is a simple explanation of how to set up the .NET SDK on your computer and connect it properly with the Windows. See you in the next lecture, and let's keep learning together.